Hello, dear students. Welcome to the class today. Children, we are carrying on with this chapter 1 in political science, power sharing. Yes, one of the very important chapters for your boards, where we are trying to understand the power sharing module. Do you really think that power sharing is important? Yes. Power sharing in any system is very important. एक ही इंसान के हाथ में जब सारा पावर आ जाता है, when power comes in the hands of just one person, you can understand that we have already seen many examples, right from class 9, French Revolution, Louis XVI, in the second chapter, the Russian Revolution. I'm talking about class 9 because I felt like giving example. Biggest example is the Nazi Germany. How Hitler had got all the power and he misused the power and led Germany to destruction. पूरा का पूरा जर्मनी जो है वो तबाह हो गया. That's the reality, dear students. So, power sharing module is very important. We have already discussed what were the problems in the model of Belgium and Sri Lanka. In the last class, in the last video, dear students, we understood that what was the ethnic composition in Belgium and the ethnic composition in Sri Lanka. How did the problem arise? When the people who are in majority, the majority people when start dominating the minority, got it? From here is the problem arising. This is one thing from where things cannot be solved. चीजें solve नहीं हो पाती हैं and the things become out of control. Actually, every time it doesn't happen. We are discussing two examples where we will be understanding that majority community dominated the minority in Sri Lanka, which led Sri Lanka to a very bad consequence. लेकिन बेल्जियम में बहुत सोच समझ के, with lot of thoughtfulness, they have adapted to the principle of accommodation. Accommodation. Everybody should be given due respect. Everybody should be given equal chances. When these kind of things happen, जब इस तरह की चीजें होती हैं, then it leads the country towards progress. Every country wants to go further. Every country wants कि उनको जो है आगे की टाइम के लिए progressive attitude रहे. Okay, so Sri Lanka में what happened? We are first discussing about the problem in Sri Lanka, majoritarianism. In Sri Lanka, the majority community dominated the minority. Majority कौन थे? Who were the majority community? Please understand. And कहाँ से कहानी शुरू होती है? Sri Lanka was also under the European colonies. It was a French colony. The French have captured. Sri Lanka became independent in 1948. Okay, after becoming independent, when the country becomes independent, they have to decide for their internal matters. They have to take decisions for their internal matters. Leaders, abhi Sinhala community, remember the Sinhala community was 74%. And Sinhala wanted to show their dominance over the Tamil speakers. यहाँ से लड़ाई शुरू होती है. That Sinhala community wanted to secure dominance over government. यहाँ से प्रॉब्लम कहाँ शुरू हुई? Sinhala community wanted to show their dominance over other communities. Other communities कौन थे? The Tamil speakers, the Sri Lankan Tamils and the Indian Tamils. ये काफी थे. And then there were the Christians also. Got it? तो इनके ऊपर इन्होंने क्या किया कि they started dominating. कैसे किया? 1956 में they passed an act to recognize Sinhala as the only official language. In 1956, an act was passed to recognize. अब एक लैंग्वेज का अगर डोमिनेंस है तो तमिल स्पीकर्स कहाँ जाएंगे? ओके, सिन्हाला लैंग्वेज एज ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेज. उन्होंने क्या दिया कि अब इन श्रीलंका, अगर श्रीलंका में रहना है तो एवरीबडी हैज टू स्पीक दैट लैंग्वेज, सिन्हाला. Tamil speakers from the very beginning who were speaking in Tamil, who were talking in Tamil, they started feeling uncomfortable. उनको लगा, क्योंकि अब क्या हुआ, all the Sinhala speaking people were given a prominence. जहां भी जॉब के लिए, anywhere, suppose I'm going for a job somewhere, I'm a Sinhala speaker, I would be given preference. एंड द तमिल स्पीकर्स को बाद में जॉब मिलेगी, पहले सिन्हाला स्पीकर्स को मिलेगी. लड़ाई यहां से शुरू हो गई. ओके, सो सिन्हाला स्पीकर्स वेर गिवन प्रेफरेंस एवरीवेयर. हर जगह सिन्हाला स्पीकर्स को ही प्रेफरेंस मिल रही थी. एंड दे फेवर्ड न्यू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मेड दैट द स्टेट शैल प्रोटेक्ट एंड फॉस्टर बुद्धिज्म. एक तो अपना लैंग्वेज प्लस अपना रिलीजन ऑल्सो. द सिन्हाला स्पीकर्स फर्स्ट दे प्रमोटेड देयर लैंग्वेज एंड दे ऑल्सो सेड न्यू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन promoted. Suppose I am not a Buddhist. Okay, Buddhism. I am a Hindu and I am a Tamil speaker and I am staying in Sri Lanka. So क्या होगा फिर? मतलब I won't be given any importance. हमको ना नौकरी मिलेगी, नहीं हम we were not allowed. I mean a person is not allowed to practice. अब क्या हुआ? गवर्नमेंट मेजर्स 1956 के बाद one by one the Sinhala community was trying to dominate the other communities which were, I won't say, because Sinhalas were 74%, तो उनको लग रहा था जैसा वो चाहते हैं वैसा ही वो करेंगे. Tamil speakers were feeling left out. तमिल स्पीकर्स को लगा कि बहुत अन्याय हो रहा है उनके साथ. They were treated in a very different manner, which is not acceptable. Got it? And no political party was supporting the Tamil speakers. कोई भी इनके सपोर्ट के लिए भी आगे नहीं आ रहा. ठीक है, एवरीबडी, क्योंकि अब मैक्सिमम तो सिन्हाला स्पीकर्स हैं, तो जो वो चाहेंगे वही चीज वो आगे प्रमोट करेंगे. That's how they were developing. That's how they were promoting their things. Okay, and no major political party supported Tamil speakers. There खाली Indian Tamils नहीं थे ना. There were not only Indian Tamils, there were the Sri Lankan Tamils also. Please understand, it was not the problem of only Indian Tamils. Many people were there from Sri Lanka who were speaking Tamilians. Okay, supported तमिल स्पीकर, सब लोग अपनी मर्जी का तरीके से, everybody was busy promoting Sinhalese, the language, the community, and they were denied. They were means Tamil speakers. ठीक है, they were denied. काफी हर एक चीज के लिए इनको मना कर दिया गया. Political rights, and were not given a chance to participate in government. सारी सीट्स तो सिन्हालास के लिए थी ना. कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिल रही थी, इनके राइट्स को इग्नोर किया जा रहा था. अब क्या हुआ? द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन द सिन्हालीज एंड द तमिल स्पीकर्स स्टार्टेड बीइंग टेंशन. श्रीलंकन तमिल्स launched parties and struggle for the recognition of Tamil as an official language. So, अब यहां से लड़ाई शुरू हुई. श्रीलंकन तमिल्स launched a party to अब अपनी पार्टी बनाएंगे, तभी तो अपने पॉइंट्स लोगों के सामने लेके जाएंगे. Launch their party and struggle to recognize Tamil as official language. इन्होंने कहा कि तमिलियन लैंग्वेज को तो रिकग्निशन मिलनी ही चाहिए. So many, they were quite large in number, and जहां पे many areas they were highly populated. Remember, वो when I had shown you the map में the northern Sri Lanka was totally occupied by the Tamilians, the Sri Lankan Tamilians, and India से भी बहुत सारे तमिल शाह के वहां पे सेटल हुए हैं. तो continuous denial to their rights by 1980, several political organizations formed and demanded independent Tamil Eelam. Several organizations, Eelam is state, got it? Several organizations demanded separate Tamil Eelam. Got it? They said कि they wanted a separate state. Eelam means state. It's in the Sinhalese language. कि तमिल ईलम इनको चाहिए. तमिल स्टेट सेपरेट होगा इन नॉर्दर्न एंड ईस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ श्रीलंका. क्या आप हमको अलग से स्टेट दे दीजिए, अपने स्टेट में हम अपने पॉलिटिकल राइट्स बनाएंगे. अब क्या हुआ? सिन्हालीज से नो, वी आर इन मेजॉरिटी कम्युनिटी हम हैं. वाई शुड वी ओबे और फॉलो योर इंस्ट्रक्शंस? हु आर यू? So this tension led Sri Lanka to a civil war. आपस में inside the country they were fighting with each other. Thousands of people from both the communities were killed. उस समय नहीं देख रहे थे ना कि कौन, who is Tamil and who is a Sinhala. Thousands of people were killed on both sides. Both sides means Sinhalas also and Tamil also. लड़ाई तो छेड़ दी, आपस में लड़ाई कर रहे हैं. आपस में लड़ाई करके किसका फायदा हुआ है? Who would be benefited after so much of fight? श्रीलंका's economic development बहुत अच्छा रहा है श्रीलंका का. education and health, लेकिन civil war had caused a terrible setback. The social, cultural and economic life was into a helter-skelter. This war came to an end in 2009. 2009 तक चला. कितना पहले से शुरू हुआ था. Long back it has started. And it ended in 2009. Got it? So you can understand whatever has happened in Sri Lanka, majority community dominating the minority, it led Sri Lanka to a disaster. क्या ऐसा करना चाहिए? ऐसा एक्चुअली नहीं करना चाहिए. These kind of tensions must be always avoided. हमेशा इस तरह के टेंशन को अवॉइड करना है और ये देखना है कि ऐसे टेंशन जो है फ्यूचर में ना हो. It should not occur in future. That is there. Got it? Then there was बेल्जियम में क्या किया इन लोगों ने? टेंशन तो बेल्जियम में भी थी. There was tension in Belgium also, but बेल्जियम में they followed a policy of accommodation. Got it? Accommodation. तुम भी आराम से रह लो, हम भी आराम से रह लें. Let's accommodate each other. Let's respect the feelings of each other. That is what was done in Belgium. A very good model. An example, Belgium leaders took a different path. The regional differences were there, cultural diversities were there. So between 1970 to 1993, between 1917 to 1993, they amended the constitution 4 times. Constitution में ही उन्होंने changes कर दिया for the rights of the minority communities also. Constitution was amended 4 times. Got it? Respect was to be given to each and every person. The Dutch speaking, the French speaking and the German speaking. 1% ही थे, लेकिन उनके बारे में भी इन्होंने सोचा. Yes, dear students, the Belgian government arrangement that worked out was different from any other country, and they had set up an example. The Belgian model is an example for the other parts of the world. पूरी दुनिया के लिए एक एग्जाम्पल इन्होंने सेटअप किया. Okay, that is what is something that is required. हर एक कंट्री में this should happen in each and every country. How can one community show its dominance? इतने सारे लोग रह रहे हैं, रेस्पेक्ट सबको मिलना चाहिए ना. So कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में उन्होंने क्या किया? डच एंड फ्रेंच स्पीकिंग मिनिस्टर्स shall be equal in central government. डच पहला उन्होंने क्या किया? डच एंड फ्रेंच स्पीकिंग people will have equal place in central government. Will have equal place in central government. Brussels, may remember, lot of fight was there in Brussels. French community was in majority, Dutch were in minority. पूरी country में Dutch were in majority, French were in minority. Okay, place in central government. They said कि central government में both the communities should get equal chance. Got it? Special laws. Some special laws require majority of the members from the linguistic group, different languages. A single community can make their own decisions unilaterally. साथ में मिलकर डिसीजन ले सकते हैं, अलग अलग भी डिसीजन ले सकते हैं. Nobody can stop them in that. Okay. Many power of central government. Central government का बहुत सारा power was given to state government. Many power of central government was given to state government. खाली central government cannot dominate. State में the governments that are there, they were given equal powers. State government were not subordinate. They can take their decisions on their own. They were not central government के ही ऊपर dependent नहीं है. They were not at all dependent on the central government. That was the model that was worked out. And Brussels में उन्होंने क्या किया? Brussels was the capital. What did they do? In Brussels, they had a separate government. कितने अच्छे से how they have done the adjustment. Please understand. These kind of modules are example. Belgian model is an example जिसको कि many countries follow. That everybody should be given equal rights. हर एक का सम्मान की रक्षा इन्होंने की. And Brussels had a separate government where दोनों communities, I mean the French speaking and the Dutch speaking people, had equal representation. Both communities had different representation. Got it? Just look at this model. How well they have decided. French speaking people accepted equal representation in Brussels, and because Dutch community had accepted equal representation in the central government. Up, apart from central and state government, इनका एक और मॉडल था. There was one more model which they had worked out, which was they had third government. ठीक है, third type of government. ये क्या था? This was the community government. This was community government. अब imagine small communities which were there, छोटी छोटी बहुत सारे, there are many communities which are there in most of the countries. Will be finding that different people are there, different communities are there, they stay together harmoniously. हमेशा लड़ाई करने की जरूरत नहीं है. It's not necessary that every time everybody is fighting. And ये community government, how will it be working? It would be elected by people belonging to one language community. It would be elected by people belonging to one language community. एक language को जो belong करता है. Got it? Yes. अब इसमें क्या था? Dutch, French, German speaking, wherever they live, they can select their own government. They had the power to take decision for their cultural, educational and language related issues. अपनी language है, अपनी community है. What is needed to which community? How will the other people know? So, separate. जैसे कि अब here I would like to compare. This was community government. Got it? Different communities के लिए it was made. So if I am हमारे यहाँ पे जैसे कि separate rights and privileges have been given to SC and ST, scheduled caste and scheduled tribe, and Belgian model was very complicated. Lekin it was an example which they had set to the other parts of the world. Everybody was very impressed with the Belgian model, and they जब many European communities, they came together, many countries of Europe, they came together to form the European Union. Brussels में जो कुछ भी हुआ ना, it has really impressed the other parts of the world. वर्ल्ड नहीं, यूरोप. So when a European Union का जब head चुनना था, so when many countries came together, साथ में मिलके आए ना, they came together to form the European Union, to form the European Union. So Brussels was chosen as its headquarter. Brussels was chosen as headquarter. European Union का headquarter is at Brussels. This is a frequently asked question in board. Please remember that board में ये पूछा जाता है, so you have to prepare it accordingly that Brussels was chosen. So this was how we understand accommodation and majoritarianism. Power sharing बहुत जरूरी है. Why power sharing is desirable, we will be discussing it in the next class. Till then, children, I would like to show you some more examples from the book itself.
Students, just now we read about majoritarianism, where the majority community is trying to dominate the minority, and this was the situation in Sri Lanka. We must not follow this model. This was something that was very wrong that had happened. To make us understand this thing, ये हम लोगों को बताया गया है. So what I wanted to show you is that this explanation that is here, children, you need to go through this explanation. What actually is majoritarianism? Don't miss this explanation. Got it, children? Another thing is that the distrust, civil war. How civil war had happened, ये आपको समझने की ज़रूरत है. And the explanation of the civil war further is also very important. Got it, children? Please go through it properly. Then the Belgian model that was there, the accommodation that had happened in Belgium. Children, इसमें some dates that you need to remember is by 1970 to 1993. This was the model that was proposed, and how civil war, what actually is the meaning of civil war is very clearly mentioned here. Please go through it, children, once. And it is the conflict that is between the groups that are opposing within a country. It is becoming so intense, आपस में लड़ के मरते हैं. That is the situation of civil war. Please don't explain. Some of the students have given very wrong explanation कि when one majority community dominates the minority. No, the minority and majority, regardless of their group, they keep on fighting with each other. That is the kind. इसके बाद just see here one nice example is given here. It is a photograph that is here is of a street address in Belgium. Belgium में they have very clearly mentioned 2 languages में they have written. ये देखो street का नाम लिखा है, तो एक यहाँ पे है and एक यहाँ पे है. Both the names are here. Got it? One is in Belgian language, one is in Dutch language, and the other one is in French language. This is French and this is Dutch. Got it? That's the kind of respect needed for each and every community. Got it, children? यही चीज़ हम बताना चाह रहे थे. And then this is the European Parliament in Brussels, Belgium. Look at the building. Impressive. इतना अच्छा काम किया ब्रुसेल्स वालों ने, इतना अच्छा काम किया बेल्जियम में कि it set a model, it set an example. Got it? That is there. Now some of the questions that are there, वो questions को एक बार देख लीजिएगा. ऐसा नहीं है इसमें से questions पूछे जाते हैं, but then why the causes was there in the what were the causes. Some states का देख लेना, कभी अगर conflict हुआ हो या civil war की situation हुई हो, so what were the major reasons behind that. Okay children, so here we come to the end of this topic, today's video. Next video we will be discussing about why power sharing is desirable. Got it? Here, why power sharing is desirable. Got it? Thank you children.